Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. A major diplomatic development is taking place in Saudi Arabia as the leader of Pakistan, Saudi Arabia and Turkey come together for high-level security and defense talks. Pakistan Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif, Saudi Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman and Turkish President Tayyip Erdogan are discussing regional security, defense, and cooperation and the growing challenges facing the Middle East and the wider Muslim world. These talks are important because of all three countries have strong military and strategic relationships. Pakistan has a long-standing defense partnership with Saudi Arabia. Turkey is also an important defense partner of Pakistan and has become a major military and technology partner in recent years. The latest meeting come at a time when the region is facing serious security challenges. The war involving Iran, Israel, the United States, and tension across the Gulf have increased concern about regional stability. The three countries appear to be looking to stronger cooperation to protect their nation's interests and improve regional security. One of the biggest developments is the new federal defense agreement. Report says Pakistan and Saudi Arabia and Turkey agreed to treat an army attack against one member as an attack against all three. And the agreement also aims to increase cooperation in defense, military planning and training and security. Does not automatically mean that the three countries will enter every future conflict together. The exact condition and implementation of the agreement will be very important. For Pakistan, the agreement could strengthen its strategic position and deepen its defense relationships with the two important partners. For Saudi Arabia, closer cooperation could support its effect to improve nation and regional security. And Turkey, in the partnership, could expand its role in Middle Eastern security and strategic in relationship with both Pakistan and Saudi Arabia. The meeting is also important diplomatically. Instead of acting alone, the three countries are showing that regional power and work together on security issues. However, the real test will come after the agreement are signed. Cooperation must be continued through the military exercise, intelligence sharing, defense technology, diplomacy, and the regular communication. The world will now be watching how this partnership develops. One thing is clear: Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, and Turkey are moving toward a closer strategic relationship, and this could have a major impact on the future security landscape of the region. And what do you think about this of partnership between Pakistan, Turkey, and Saudi Arabia? Tell me your opinion in comment. Please like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Thank you.